In this module of why air source heat pump field assessments matter, we will touch on why we as field agents check for condensate drainage, safe access, and that the equipment nameplate information matches the contractor submitted New York State Clean Heat incentive application documentation. These checks correspond to checks C1, C3, and C4 on the New York State Clean Heat Quality Assurance and Quality Control Air Source Heat Pump Checklist. In this module, you will learn the importance of the equipment installed matching the New York State Clean Heat incentive application, the importance of installing a functioning condensate drain, and how providing safe access to the equipment can impact maintenance. For C1, field agents confirm that the installed equipment, make, model, and quantities match what was proposed on the application. The primary reason field agents check that what was installed matches the paperwork submitted is to ensure that the system will operate as originally intended. Even slight changes in equipment and model types or indoor unit configurations can affect the system's capacity and efficiency. If the installed system is improperly sized for the heating load, the system may not operate as designed, and the contractor may receive callbacks from homeowners with high bill and comfort complaints as a result. In extreme cases, the contractor may even face legal action by a homeowner. If there will be changes to the installed equipment, the contractor is required to inform New York State Clean Heat and submit updated documentation. Another reason we check that the installed equipment is as proposed is because New York State Clean Heat bases its energy savings claim on the installed model's heating season performance factor, as well as system capacity. As a result, system changeouts may alter the program's savings claim. Finally, installing a unit that does not match application documentation could be considered program fraud by the utilities. This could risk contractor status and participation eligibility in the program. The utilities have a duty to accurately track their distribution of ratepayer funds. System swap outs, even with minimal impact on heating or cooling performance, can jeopardize the availability of these funds if not documented. For C3, field agents confirm that the condensate lines exist, terminate properly, and there is no evidence of condensate leakage. The heat pump's condensate drainage system removes condensation formed on the unit's refrigeration coils. If it is not functioning correctly, water can build up inside and around the unit, leading to mechanical issues, damage to equipment and surroundings, and growth of mold and mildew. Contractors are required to install condensate drainage for all installed heat pump units and ensure the condensate is draining properly without leaks. The drainage must terminate in a safe location from walking surfaces to prevent the risk of slips and falls by occupants and drain to an area that does not cause long-term damage to the building exterior, foundation, electrical conduit, fixtures, or equipment. It is best practice to not connect condensate drainage to any plumbing drain, waste, or vent pipe. It's best to drain condensate to a floor sink, floor drain, trench drain, mop sink, hub drain, standpipe, utility sink, or laundry sink. This best practice became a code requirement in the 2021 International Mechanical Code. Once the next cycle of the New York State Building Code is released in 2024, draining condensate into DWV pipe will be prohibited. Here are two examples of projects where the condensate terminated to an unsafe location. The photo on the left shows a condensate drain laying onto a walkway, creating a slipping hazard. The photo on the right shows a condensate line draining right at the bottom of a staircase, which also creates a slipping hazard. For C4, Field agents verify that there is safe access to both the indoor and outdoor units of the heat pump. All homeowners and service technicians need safe access to conduct regular maintenance. A system that is difficult to access can create unsafe work environments that lead to slips, trips, or falls. Difficult access can also likely lead to deferred maintenance. If there's a lack of maintenance, then that could lead to reduced equipment efficiency and lifespan. It is critical to provide safe access to the units for all parties. Contractors should install units that have safe access for them, the homeowner, and the inspector. Most homeowners and inspectors will not have the correct personal protective equipment to maintain units installed in difficult to access locations. For example, no person should walk along a sloped roof or attic floor joists to reach a unit like in these photos. Contractors should think beyond locating a unit based on the ease of installation. Contractors should consider factors that impact efficiency, performance, as well as safety. This concludes Module 1 of Why Air Source Heat Pump Field Assessments Matter.